If you're seeing a Monday.com error when opening a Pulse, don't worry. This is usually a browser, network, or session issue. And in this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to refresh the page, sign out and back in, clear your browser data, check extensions, and test whether your VPN or network is causing the problem. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Let's get into it. First, start with the simplest fix. Refresh the page. Sometimes a Pulse fails to open because the page didn't load correctly, so a quick refresh can resolve it immediately. If that doesn't work, sign out of Monday.com completely, then sign back in. This helps reset your session and can fix temporary login or permission glitches that may be preventing the Pulse from opening. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete together. In the Clear Browsing Data window, select Cache and Cookies, then click Clear and restart your browser afterward. Old cached files can cause Monday.com to behave incorrectly, especially if the app has recently updated. After that, check your browser extensions. Open your browser menu, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and temporarily turn off any ad blockers or other extensions that may interfere with Monday.com. Some extensions can block scripts or page elements that Monday.com needs in order to open a Pulse properly. If the issue still continues, turn off your VPN or proxy and refresh the page again. VPNs and proxy services can sometimes trigger connection problems or security restrictions that affect Monday.com loading behavior. If you're on a work network, or if the error only happens on one connection, switch to a different network and try again. For example, if you're on office Wi-Fi, test on a mobile hotspot or home network to see whether the problem is network-related. Another important step is to try a different supported browser. Use Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, since those are the most reliable options for Monday.com. If you're already on one browser, switching to another can quickly tell you whether the issue is caused by browser compatibility or a damaged session in your current browser. If the Pulse still won't open after all of that, go back and repeat the steps in order, because often one of these fixes works as soon as the browser, account session, or connection is reset. The key is to start simple, then move through cache, extensions, VPN, network, and browser checks one by one so you can isolate the cause without wasting time. Once everything is working again, you should be able to open Pulses normally and continue managing your boards without interruptions. If this video helped you fix the Monday.com error opening Pulse, please give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and I'll see you in the next one.